So there are two different ways to apply the edge cups. The first method is what I like to call the pinch grip method. With that, you are simply going to press the sides of the cup together. Place that cup on the body. Once the cup touches the body, you're going to release your squeeze and the cup is applied. This is perfect for when you don't want to do a lot of strong suction. That way you can kind of guide your squeeze less for there to be less suction, and squeeze more for there to be more suction. The second way to apply the edge cup is what I like to call a donut press method. With that method, you are going to press down on the top of the dome while the cup is already on the body. This is a perfect application for areas that are more rounded and contoured. This way the cup will stick better. So I'm going to place my cup right over her shoulder. I'm going to secure the base and I'm going to press down into the top of the dome. Simple one-touch method. To remove the edge cup, we are simply going to break the suction. I like to do that quickly and easily by sticking my thumb underneath the base of the cup. Break the suction and then I slowly remove the cup.